Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to upload Canva design to Google Drive. So if you also want to upload Canva design to Google Drive, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you will be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. After that, simply click on the search bar and type in canva.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Canva. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, what you have to do is open the design that you want to upload to Google Drive. You can see over here, I've already opened it. Now, if you look at left, you'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the option for templates, elements, brand, uploads, projects, and apps. Simply click on the option apps. Now, from here, you'll be able to discover the app. What you have to do is find the application for Google Drive. If you do not find it over here, simply click on the search bar. Now type in Google Drive, press enter. Now over here, you'll be able to find the application for Google Drive. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll have to connect your account to Google Drive. Simply click on the connect option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, this kind of window will open up. You'll have to choose an account to continue. Simply click on the account that you want to use. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Read these informations very carefully. Click on the continue option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll have to select what Canva integration can access. You can see several options over here. You can select all if you want. Read the options very carefully. See and download all your Google Drive files. If you want the Canva integration to have access to that, simply check on this box. See, edit, create and delete only the specific Google Drive files you use with this app. If you want to select this, simply check on this box. Now after that, what you have to do is scroll down. Now click on the continue option that you can see right over here. Now the Google Drive has been connected. Now over here, you'll be able to find two options, My Drive and Shared Drive. Simply click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to click on My Drive. If you want to save the design in a specific folder, you can click on that folder. After that, what you have to do is click on the option Save to Google Drive that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can either save as Canva design link or you can also pick a file format to export your design. Simply click on the option of your choice. I'm just going to click on this one. Now click on the continue option that you can see right over here. Now wait for a while. Now the design has been saved. Let me just go to Google Drive. After you open the drive, simply click on the folder that you selected. Now over here, you can see your design has been saved. So that is how you upload Canva design to Google Drive. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.